the camera there. So right, so we're using Padlet here, and we did an exercise using our business canvas model. I did ask you all to create a or to populate the canvas model, coming up with a company of your choice. Well, not an existing company, but some company that you probably have plans on forming, maybe in the next few years. All right, or some kind of concept. So let's see what Shiza had for us. So interesting. The name of Shiza's company is iPower. I like that. Power, yeah. Power is a powerful word. iPower. So I would have liked to know what this company is about, but let me see if I can put two and two together. Partners, distribution channels, manufacturers, and software developers. Okay, media people, media publishers. Key activities. Let's see. Designing and R&D. Okay, research on artificial intelligence to be used in the LED phones. Okay, so this is a IT company, an innovation company, maybe. Resources, physical resources, okay, materials, security, okay, intellectual resources like patents, interesting. Human resources, nice. Value proposition, let's see what she's bringing to the table. Um, the USP of our phones, the LED phone cover that are developed as an internal part of the phone using the AI technology, which will enable our customers to change the back of their phones without having to buy several different phone covers. Okay, good. Excellent. Nice, nice. Yeah. Customer relationships or relationship with customers of each segment differs, all right, on factors like automation, usage, design, technology, and so on. Nice. Channels, okay, YouTube ads, TV ads, distributors, social media. Nice. And I'm enjoying this. Revenue streams, selling of consumer electronics. Um, okay, each iPower phone owner can download phone cover design for which they can either pay for each design through our inbuilt app. Um, I love this. Can you design your own covers? You can, right? Let me see. Can you design your own covers? Can you? Would I be able to design? Okay, great. So you came up with this. You came up with this concept. You came up with this company name and everything. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I love it. I love it. This is really good. Yeah, this is really good. I'm liking it. Nice. Very good. All right. So that was she's iPower is the name of the company, all right, using the Padlet. This was posted. Good work, really good work. Let's look at our next submission. Okay, so this was done by, let's see if I can download this. Um, who did this one? Uh, whose work is this? The one that I'm about to download. Who is me? Who is me? I let's see. Who is me? Let me see if I can. That's me. Oh, Zainab. Okay, nice. Yes. Okay. All right. Hi, Zainab. Okay, let me try to download this again, or make it a bit smaller, bigger. Just move this, shrink this. I like this. It's just organic. I love when students use their pens and their paper like a long time, like how it used to be. All right. Hey, so key partners. No, it's a tea shop. It's called Chai Z. Did I pronounce it correctly? Chai Z. I tell you, Chai Z. Did I pronounce it correctly? Yeah, I think I did, right? I did a good job there. She said yes, exactly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm learning all these pronunciations. Trust me. So partners, Lipton and Supreme. All right. Nice, nice. A T-shop would always do good in the Middle East, trust me. Key activities, sales and consumer satisfaction. What is a value proposition with 24/7 availability? So can I have it right now? Are you telling me that 4 a.m. in the morning I can grab a tea from Chaisi? I can get it? 4 a.m. Are you sure? You're sure, eh? All right, I hope that happens when you launch this company. Social media marketing, all right, get that. You know that's a must. Consumer relationships drive through, yeah. Online platforms. I can order the tea online, all right. I can order it online, right? Yeah. Okay, so one tea for me, no milk, no sugar, all right. One black tea, no milk, no sugar. Can you get that for me? How long would it take? Yeah. All right. So nice. Yeah. On store physical, right? So brick and mortar, yeah, brick and mortar setup, nice. Consumer segments, teenagers, really? Teenagers? Like I don't see teenagers in tea shops. I don't. Old people? Who are old people? Are you calling me an old person? Who are old people, really? Say senior citizens. Why not senior citizens? Yeah. All right. Hey, so then channels, Talabat, Zomato, Deliveroo, excellent. Very good work. Love it, love it. Excellent, excellent. Hey, listen. Yeah, boy. You have brought justice to the canvas as well. Really good work. Excellent work. I wish you guys the best, honestly. Yeah. I really wish um you all could pull it off, you know. I'd love to see. Yeah, I would love to see some of these concepts in the future. I'm sure. You all are the GOAT generation. GOAT generation. You all are the greatest of all time generation. Trust me. You heard that? The greatest of all time. Yeah. All right. Let's see this one. Hey, oh, I like it. This one has some graphics in it. Yeah, boy. Who, the one that I'm pulling up now, who did this one? Oops, where did it go? Let's try again, Paul. Wait, this is the work of Mohammed Ramiz. Oops. Mohammed Ramiz, nice. Let's see if I can talk to him. Mohammed Ramiz, how are you? Everything is all right? Mm-hmm. Tell me, tell me something. Hello, Mohammed Ramiz. Hello. Yeah. What's the name of your company? I'm trying to figure that out. Um, Google. Google. Oh man, I thought you were going to come up with your own concept. Why you gave me Google? All right. It's gonna be boring. This is gonna be boring, right? So okay. All right. So key partners. All right. But other people did it. Other people did it. You're looking for the easy way out. All right. That's okay if you look for the easy way out, but thought you would have given it a shot for this exercise. You know what I mean? So anyway, key partners, can't make that out. Key activities, platform development. All right. Resources, Google algorithms. Nice, good. Well, for one, you know what goes where. I give you credit for that. You know what goes where. Value proposition, paid services is one. Customer relationship, self-service, customer support. Good, very good. I must credit you for that, right? Um, consumer segments, internal users, advertisers, developers. All right, nice, nice. And data centers as a core structure, they're part of it. Revenue stream, free. All right. Then I'm seeing cost something. Can't make that one out. But I can't make out the other two, right? But I'll credit you for one thing. You knew what to put in these segments. I give you credit for that, right? Right, Mohammed Ramiz. Testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. You got me on that, so I have to give you credit for that. All right, so good, right? Although I would have liked to see, you know what I mean. Um, right. Okay. So we're moving on to the other one. Okay, Israel's. All right. So before I move on to Israel's, I'm just gonna um, pause this for a minute.